YouTube, what up? It's boy Z, back with another one. Let me show you what we're working with. All right, so this is what we're swapping out. This guy, Monster. Swapping this out, line set, plenums, everything. We're just not changing ductwork. So, we're going to go ahead and start getting this ripped out. This is a good old before. Let me get y'all throughout. Let's get it ripped out. This is super convenient. My breaker panel's right here. All right, so let's get this high voltage, low voltage disconnected, get the line set cut, get our drain done. Yeah. All right, so we got the unit gutted for the most part. All electrical's loose. Waiting for this to finish pumping down so we can cut this line set. We'll go ahead and get these ducts off. Yeah, let's do that. Got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, one in the back. All right, so we got those ducts off. We got them off on the right side. We gotta get these 2 off the left. Our plenum is here. Yeah, blower motor. All right, let's get these 2 off. Verify that this is reclaimed so I can cut this, get this out. All right, we got all ducts off. Got the line set cut. We got the coil right here. Make it easy to bring it down. We'll get this off with a 5-inch filter, bring that return downstairs, wait for our delivery truck. All right, we got everything disconnected. Return, 5-inch media filter, coil, plenums, blower, doors. Let's get this stuff down. All right, not bad. Clean slate. Let's get our drain down. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna go build the return plenum. Let's get started with that, then bring the unit up, supply plenum, line set. Should be an easy day. Let's go. All right, y'all, that's how we looking. We got our drain pan, our return plenum. I just need the mastic on the inside. I already cut the holes, put the collars on. About to bring the unit up, and then the air handler. Start getting these ducts attached. All right, so this guy's mad heavy. Pause. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the blower out. Maybe I have to take the coil, I'm not sure, but definitely the blower. Bring it up. All right, so we got the line set ran all the way to the eaves. Trying to go down this hole a little tight, but I think we can make it. He's about to go out there and grab it, continue feeding it down. Life of an HVAC installer. Let's go. All right, we got the line set ran all the way down there. Boy, that was a little tough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this filter on. First I'm gonna mastic in here and then get the filter on and then put the unit on. All right, so we got the mastic in here. Let's get this front lid folded down and then get our filter on. All right, so we just about got the heat strips in. Should have recorded it, but you need to cut this little metal plate out. Heat strips go in here, make sure it's the right side up. Got 2 more screws, then take this connection pin for the high voltage, which is this one with 2 wires. Take this out, put this one in, boom. All right, air handler set, screwed down, tape secured. Yeah, nice and clean. And of course the back is the same. Let me go ahead and get this coil in, check my level, get the blower, start putting this guy together. All right, so our level is good. We are pitched towards the drain and pitched towards the front. Let's close this up, get that blower in, keep going. All right, so we got these returns on here, both sides. I just need to get this supply. Might have to get some more ductwork, not sure, but we'll see. All right, we just got the S30 hub wired up. There was 2 sets of high voltage, one for the heat strips, and then it's an older system, one to power the actual blower and everything. And we're just gonna change the breaker and go back with one. So we're gonna eliminate one of these high voltage. We're gonna keep this 10 gauge wire, is 8 gauge wire. Get rid of this 12 gauge. All right, y'all, got the new breaker wired up. Just need to get this connected to the air handler. Go build my plenum. connect these ductwork, and we're done. All right, so we got the holes cut for our supply plenum. About to wrap this guy up, get it on there. Let's get up out this house. All right, y'all, that's how this plenum's looking. Holes cut out, nice and clean. Let's get them putting the dampeners in these collars right now. I'm gonna leave the 10 and the 12 off and put the ones on the side, the 8s and the 6 and the 4 on the side. All right, we got our collars on. Just gotta put that 10 and 12 on, but I'll do that upstairs, make sure we fit through the door. All right, let's go. All right, so we got mastic in our plenum. Put those other two, well, I'll put this 12 on. I need this 10 to mastic the bottom. I'm gonna get this 10 in here. Get that up there. This thing is huge. Get this up there, get these ducts connected. Let's get out of here. All right, since we're down here, let's get this drain taken care of real quick. Let's connect it over here. I'm gonna do away with this P-trap too. All right, so we got the S30 wired up. We got the wires coming from the furnace, from the air handler going to the hub. Then from the hub going to the T-stat. I'm gonna put this little cover on. All right, y'all, so she is running. Purring like a kid. Little blower, 4-ton. Nice, nasty, cleaned up. You already know. Close this front door. I just need to blow the drain out and then connect it right there. That's about it. Let me put this door in. You too, what up? We done, finito, it's a wrap. Let me show you how this guy turned out. All right, you already know, nice and clean. Yeah, did that. Just checking my split real quick. Oh yeah, I had 98 coming out the supply, so we got 30-degree TD, we good. All right, y'all. If you liked the video, show your boy some love, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Appreciate y'all. See you on the next one.